Hey y'all, welcome back or welcome to my channel. So if you're new here, we are doing a Halloween makeup look for the month of October. We're on look number 3 today. So today, as you can see by the title, we're doing the Joker from Suicide Squad. So yeah, not much to really preface this video. We're just gonna jump right into it. This is a bit of an easier one, I feel like, than the first two I've already done. Cause really just my regular makeup routine with like a few, different color eyebrows, a different lip. I am gonna add some like extra effects here. I know people just usually do like the lipstick and like drag it out, but I want mine to look like a scar right here, so I'm gonna do like some razzle dazzle with that. So yeah, it's a bit of an easier one compared to the ones that I've done. I mean, the first one was easy, it's just time consuming, but yeah, if you haven't seen the other two, go check those out. The first one was A Bad Case of Stripes, and the second one was Other Mother from Coraline. And I'm also doing little cute transitions over on TikTok if you want to follow me there, and then I do the in-depth tutorials here of how to achieve the looks that I do over there. So yeah, y'all, anyway, let's just jump right into it. I already have on my little white button down top. Let's get started. All right, let's start with the eyebrows. I've seen a couple different ways to do color eyebrows, some with concealer and eyeshadow, some with lipstick. I'm just gonna try using the Maron makeup palette. It's water activated, so I'm just gonna like swirl a spoolie around in one of these green shades, probably this one. If that doesn't work, then we'll do concealer. Yeah, let's see. Oh yeah, that's working. Okay, all right, so now I'm gonna clean them up with some concealer. I'm just using my Tarte Shape Tape concealer, what I normally use, the color Tan Sand. I'm doing this underneath my brows, and then I go in with my foundation shade on the top. Alright, and then for my foundation shade, I use the Kat Von D Lock-It foundation in the color Deep 74 Warm. To places that nobody knows. You got me hooked up on the feeling. You got me hanging. Alright, so before I do foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and put the contacts in. I got green contacts over there. I got these from Moco Queen, it'll be linked, but I just got the green ones that they have, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these in so I don't mess up like the face makeup. I hate putting in contacts. I'm not good at it and it takes me forever, so I might have to do this off camera. All right, I got one in. I did that one fairly fast. See if I can do the other one the same way. Ooh, okay, I did that in like 30 seconds. Go me! It took me like 10-20 minutes to do each eye last year. Now we can move on to foundation. Going back in with the same foundation. And we blend. Alright, now I'm going back in. Same concealer. And concealer where I normally would when I do my makeup. Maybe I should go a little heavy with this because the Joker is kind of pale. Alright, and then I'm just going along the outside of those lines with the excess foundation from my foundation brush. Now I'm gonna set with my one size translucent powder. Alright, so now I'm going to take the contour shade in this Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in medium to dark, and I'm going to contour. I was going to do bronzer. Should I do bronzer? I know he's like pale, so I don't know if bronzer should be what I use for this look, but I love bronzer. I may go over it with bronzer if I don't like it, but for now we're using this. should I leave it? Should I leave it like ashy looking because he's pale? No, I'm gonna dust it off. Okay, so I'm taking that same contour palette, I'm taking the middle shade to dust off the setting powder. It's a shade that is close to my skin tone, so it's not so ashy. I never set my eyes, so the concealer on my eyes is still wet, I guess. I never set that since we'll be going back there with eyeshadow. So not touching my eyes just yet with any of this. Alright, I think I am going to go over with the bronzer. So I'm using my NARS Laguna bronzer in the shade Laguna 8. Alright, now I'm going in with the Makeup by Mario blush and Wild Berry. This is just the blush I normally use. Should I have used like a peachy blush? That's fine. Now let's do the eyes. So where is the brush? Alright, so I'm going to take one of these purple shades. I'll start with this one. And this is the Morphe 35P palette. See how this looks. Okay, that's cute. And then I'll go in and deepen it up in a minute. Let me do the other eye for the TikTok. So I'm just kind of like packing this on all over the lid and then buffing out the edges. And blending it outwards like this towards the tail of my brow. I think I want to take this like shimmery purple, like the lighter shade, to put like towards the inner corner. Let's see how that looks. I don't have a brush. And then I'm just going to bring that like halfway across my lid and pack on a little more towards the inner. This is cute. I haven't done eye makeup in years. Like I stopped doing eyeshadow looks years ago for my regular makeup routine. So I completely forgot how to do eyeshadow for real, but this is bringing me back. It's cute, right? Okay, so now I'm going to like deepen it up a little on like the outer corners and crease, and I'm just gonna mix purple and like this black. Cute. Alright, now I'm gonna take the purple, this purple and black mix on my under eyes. Okay, I think my eye makeup is cute. I need to find my black eyeliner pencil. I know I had it. Alright, well I can't find the eyeliner I wanted to use. I have another one right here. I just didn't want to use this because this is a lip liner. It's actually one of the lip liners I was sampling for my website. It's black, so I'll use it, but I don't know where. I just had it up here. And I literally have cleared my entire vanity and it's not up here. I'm gonna put this in the waterline. Okay, and then I'm gonna do like a little wing in the inner corner because that's what I normally do with my own makeup, and I like the look of it. So now I'm taking this Wet n Wild Mega Liner. It's just a black liquid eyeliner, and we're gonna do some eyeliner here, and we're gonna do a little wing. Boom. Yes, squirrel, yes. So now I'm going in with this Maybelline Colossal Bubble Mascara. This is the one that was all over TikTok. Okay, now all that's left to do is the lip, the tattoos, and the little eye thing over here. I'm going to use the same purple and black that I use on my under eye. Mix it, but mix a little more black than purple. And then we'll go over the outsides and buff it out with just purple. Okay, it was actually easier for me to start with the purple and then just go down the middle with the black instead of buffing out the outside of the black with purple. Okay, and I'm gonna go over like the center of the black with some black liquid eyeliner I use on my eyes. So I got a little hack for the tattoos. I tested it out right before I started filming just to see if it would work because I didn't know how I was going to do this. But yeah, I just thought of it right before I started filming. But anyway, I printed out, I'm not going to use the star, but I printed out this one and the J because I don't have the actual tattoo. They have them at like Halloween stores, but they didn't have it at our Halloween store. So what I did was print it out on a piece of paper, and then I have some saran wrap that I'm gonna cut, and I just need it for those two. I'm gonna freehand the ha-has. Anyway, so you take the saran wrap, put it over the tattoo that you want to trace like that. Lay it down. You can tape it down if you need to, but I'm not gonna do all that. And I'm just gonna take the black eyeliner pencil that I had and trace it, and then just stick it on here, and then we'll go over what we need to define after. I'm trying to work kind of fast so it doesn't dry down or anything. So like this, it's on here, and then I'll just put it on my forehead. It's a good spot. It's gonna have to be. Sure. I know it's faint. It's enough of an outline for me to go over it. I'm just taking the black eyeliner. Okay, and then there's one. So I'm gonna trace the J and do the same thing. All right, let's do the ha-has. All right, now let's smudge this. All right, now for the fun part, the lip. So I'm gonna start with this Miron scarring liquid to create like a scar looking effect where the smile lines would be. I think you're just supposed to put multiple layers of this like when it dries, and then God, it's strong. So I'm just gonna keep doing layers of this until I'm satisfied with the scar. So far, I did several layers. It's really burning, actually. I don't know if that's supposed to happen, but now we can do the lipstick and eyelashes, and we'll be done. And then I gotta put the wig on, of course, and accessories. Sorry, I forgot to hit record, but I just went in with the black liner, and then this Huda Beauty in the shade Heartbreaker. Alright, should we add like a little blood? I think we should add a little blood to the smile lines. Let's put the lashes on first. I'm using the Juvia's Place lashes in the style Kush. This is like my everyday lash, or the lashes that I use every time I do my regular makeup. And I'm taking the Duo Lash Glue, per usual. So here's the blood. I believe I got this little kit off of Amazon last year. It comes with coagulated blood, squirt blood, 2 bottles of liquid latex, some sponges, like stippling sponges, scar wax, another sponge, some tools, Q-tips, 6 color bruise wheel. So let's start with coagulated blood. Coagulated, it's gooey. Was it supposed to be like clotty or something? Ew. So I'm just gonna put some here. Ew, ew, ew. I'm gonna go with the squirt blood now. I think that may be a little bit more runny. Now we just need the wig and accessories. Let's go ahead and add the foil to the teeth. Probably should have did that before I put all this lipstick on. Alright y'all, my light died, but I got the foil in, and then I added this necklace. Ooh, the lisp. I added this necklace from Shein or the Beauty Supply store. I got it years ago, so I don't know. Same with the earrings. I sprayed as much as the wig as I could with the hairspray. Ran out. Alright, I'm gonna add some gel to the hair and like make it slick looking. Alright y'all, and this is the finished look. What do we think? What do we think? Y'all go follow me on TikTok. You'll see the transition video. I think it came out really cute. Y'all let me know what y'all think down below. Comment down below some costumes y'all want me to do or you want to see, and I'll see if I can do it. But yeah, y'all, that is it for today's video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.